We have 45 days left in 2025, so I thought let's challenge ourselves with a listing challenge. So I'm going to share with you 45 tips, one a day for the next 45 days to help you get your reselling business going on track and eliminate those death piles. First, you need to determine how many items you are going to list daily, and we're going to check in. I am going to list at least 5 items daily, and I'll show you daily what I have listed at the end of the video. So make sure you stay to the end. Make sure you hit all of my buttons and follow me so you do not lose track of me. Now today we're going to talk about the 10-second inspection method. This is the pants version. This is going to keep you from picking up flawed items, and that way everything you have in your closet is flaw-free and quality, because I know some people sell flawed items, but we don't want to. So, pants, we want to make sure that the crotch is good and that there is no puckering or peeling here in this area across the top of the denim. We want to make sure the hem of the pant is intact, that someone hasn't walked a hole in it, or that it's not loose stitching or fraying. Of course, we want to make sure the inside looks well. There's no holes in the pockets. And just by going in this way, you can check all of the pockets, the two-sided pockets and the back. And closures. You want to make sure that the button is on securely and that the zipper functions well. Less than 10 seconds, you can do that. And of course, you're going to do a quick once over for any staining. I wash everything, but if you don't, make sure there's no staining or smells. And then if it checks out, throw it in the cart and you are good to go. I'm going to show you 5 items that I have listed today. So here we go. Okay, so I have zoomed in on my list perfectly screen. So I listed about 20 today, but I'll just show you 5. This All in Motion Nude Tag tennis dress, black extra small. I priced it at $25. And then next up is this Torrid women's sleeveless mini dress, size 1X. I priced that at $22. That was out of my own personal closet. Another one from my own personal closet. Sorry, my dog is eating behind me. This is a Soma Cool Nights short sleeve sleep shirt, long length, size medium. I priced it at $30. Then this Wild Fable Nude Tag long sleeve mini dress, flocked fit flare style, black size large. I priced that at $18. And then lastly, this Windsor Pleat Me Tonight asymmetrical mini dress, sleeveless, size small party. I priced that at $25. So let me know if you're in on the challenge. Hit all of my buttons, and I will see you tomorrow for day 2 of our listing challenge.